Welcome, in front of me is a POCO F7 and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, before I get started, I'm going to quickly mention that you can do this reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. So, to get started off, you just hold power button and volume up, and then swipe up to turn off your device. Now, if Xiaomi, because I don't have a screen lock set, tells you that you need to draw a pattern or PIN or password, whatever your screen lock is, then instead hold power button and volume down. You want to hold it as long as it takes for the device to turn off, and once it turns off, just like right now, you would switch to volume up and power button, which is the same thing that you're going to hold when the phone is off and you turn it off normally. Now when you see POCO logo on a screen like right now, let go of the power button, but just keep holding volume up till recovery mode shows up, and then using volume buttons to navigate. So for instance, press volume down once to select wipe data. You want to then confirm it using your power button, select wipe all data, confirm, once it's finished, we're just going to press power button, and power button once more, and this will now reboot the device, continue resetting the phone in the background, and once that is completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.